Now we are in the top of the Cherkeri. It's high 5,200 meter, and we could see all the mountains which is in a Langtang area, and which called the Jebel Himal range also. So in the front that is called Gangsengpo. Its height is more than 7,000, and then just go left hand side of the Gangsengpo. There is a Langtangri, and far away there is a we could see just top of the Sisapangba, and on the left hand of the Sisapangba. So that is also the one of the peak which is above 7,000, but I don't know what is the name. And on the left hand side there is a Ala peak, and go away from the left hand side it's Langtang 2, and it's Langtang Lerung which is 7,200 meter. So already covered by the cloud. So okay, we are here 5 person, so together we get to the top now. Yeah. So we enjoy the view of the Langtang area. So it is really nice, and last night there is a big snow around the Khenjing Gompa, so it is really tough to get to the top. So but it is okay, we are fine to get to the top. So now we are preparing to go down to the Khenjing Gompa, then take a hot tea and coffee, then take a rest. So
bye bye Cherkeri next time.
Bye bye Cherkeri. So next time definitely we will visit next time also. See you next year. We are here, of course. Yeah.
त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ नि Langtang village पनि चाहिँ नि nice देख्छ.
We could see the downhill. There is a Langtang village also, and just a part of the Khenjing Gompa and the Langtang river as well. So the some of the part of the Gorithavela also. So it is really nice. So see you.
Nice to meet